Hey guys, it's Gia and Elena Vlogs, and today we're playing Roblox, and I'm Gia.
And I'm Elena.
So right now, I'm just calling her. She's not at my house today
Yeah.
because we're
But
just cousins.
yeah, we're going to be playing Daycare, yeah.
Okay,
Join me.
okay. Actually, I just joined the game.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, the screen. Okay, finally.
What are you praying? Praying?
Oh gosh, it's lagging. What is this?
Praying? Praying?
Uh, okay, we're gonna go to bus B.
Are you
No,
sure?
let's go to the first bus.
Alright. Oh, that's
It
more
says
players.
5 players.
Hurry!
I'm in.
Oh, okay. Just need one more person.
Okay, okay, we're loading in. Okay. Oh gosh, it's lagging. Oh yes,
Yeah,
we're finally
like
in.
trash. I'm sorry.
Oh, what?
Mm.
What's trash?
Mm.
Okay, we're here. We have played this game a couple of times.
Yeah, we always died.
Yeah, but we didn't make a video though.
Oh, hi, Lily. Hi.
Hi, Lily.
I'll be looking after you for the next 2 days.
Thank you. Come on.
Come on, let's head inside.
inside.
Mm,
A lot of people left.
yeah, there's a lot of us.
There's only 7 people in this game.
I'm sure that was how much people we had to start with.
Yeah, there's actually 11 people.
Ow! Oh, 4 people left.
Non-sanitary ball pit.
Okay, I'll come. I'm coming.
I want to go outside to the swings.
Woo! Hey, do you want to play hide and seek? I call being hider.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready. Coming. What was that? Where are you?
Wait, we're only allowed to be in this playroom, okay?
What playroom? I want to eat pizza or taco. I choose taco.
I chose tacos too. We're only allowed to be in this room, so I'm hiding in this room.
The playground?
Yes. Well, not the, yeah, this room with all the toys. Yeah.
No, I'm pretty sure that's not where you're hiding. You're hiding somewhere else.
Well, kind of just passed by me. Do you give up?
No, just give me a hint.
I'm in the playroom.
What the heck? Why can't I see you? You're probably outside or something.
Do you give up?
No.
Wait, which one won? Pizza?
Yeah. Wait, I don't know.
I wasn't paying
Someone said in chat I can't feel my legs.
attention.
Okay, where are you? Seriously. Okay, I give up.
You give up? I
Yeah.
was in the ball pit.
How can I not see you? What were you doing?
I was like lying down.
How could you lay down?
Because like when you fall in, you lay down. Something you fall.
Oh, I'm so dumb. Yes, I'm literally the.
Oh, tacos won! Yeah.
Yeah. Do we have to sleep?
No.
Oh, you want to play?
Wait, how come I'm wearing that outfit when I'm wearing this outfit?
What do you mean? You're wearing that outfit. What do you mean?
Oh, okay, never mind. I saw
What do
something.
you mean?
I saw something.
I can't feel my legs. Someone said it out in chat.
Good night, everyone.
Night, night, night.
Hey, yeah, let's go to bookshelf. The bookshelf. I was gonna come out. I'm scared. I am so scared.
That's a moment of silence. No! Okay, that is the scary part.
I'm so scared.
I'm gonna say something, but I might spoil it.
I'm so
Lily is the
Wait,
monster.
I think she is.
Or she is not. I don't know.
Well, then what is she
I'm
doing?
hiding in the ball pit. Should I hide in the ball pit?
Take way down to the rings. I'm going to go hide right now.
My screen is stuck. Look.
Way down to the ball. I don't like the scary images.
I'm in the ball pit. Do you see me? I'm lagging. Oh my god.
Oh no, he's here. He's here. He's here.
It kicked me out of the game.
It did?
Yeah, it did. Okay, that's sad. So I'm
Oh, it's
sorry, but we're gonna end the video here.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry. So make sure to subscribe and leave a like and turn on the notification bell so you can know when we upload a new video. So Lena, do you have anything to say?
I'm watching. This is really weird. It was a random video.
Yeah, honestly, we had nothing to post, honestly. So. Yeah, so just let us know in the comments what kind of games you want us to play. Bye!